So, hi everyone, I'm Alfred Jagsoy. So, today I will discuss the lesson 11, appropriation in art. So, what is appropriation in art? So, appropriation in art refers to the practice of artists intentionally borrowing, copying, or reusing existing image. So, example is kanang nakay isa ka painting nga gisundog. For example, kanang painting ni Mona Lisa. Imuha na siyang gisundog tapos gibuhatan nimo siya og kanang laing nga term nga title. So ang imong gisundog ang painting lang pero ang title gilahian na nimo siya. So next is what's the intent of appropriation art? So appropriation artists want the viewers to recognize the image they copy. So ang intent of appropriation art is ang mga appropriation artists ay gusto nila nga makilala agad ang kanang manonood ang mga imahe kanilang kinopya. Umasa sila na ang manonood ay magdadala ng kanyang sariling mga alaala at kahulugan mula sa orihinal na imahe at ikokonekta ito sa bagong gawa ng artist. Or in other words, ang intention sa appropriation art is kanang gusto sa artist dire nga ug naghope ang artist dire nga ma-bring or ma-recall nila ang ilahang hibal-an about sa gisundugan sa artist. So ang tawag daw sa paggamit sa daan nga picture or sa subject sa painter is borrowing, which is called in appropriation in art is contextualization sa kani nga pamaagi gusto sa artist ani nga kanang mga daan nga painting is maisubay gani siya. For example na kanang nalimtan na siya or dili na siya ilado nga painting tapos tungod sa appropriation art is makita sa kadaghanan or mailhan siya og balik. So next is an-iconic. So example of appropriation, isa sa pinakakilalang halimbawa ng appropriation art ay ang serye ni Andy Warhol na Campbell's Soup noong 1961. Gumamit siya ng larawan ng sikat na Campbell's Soup can at ipininta ito ng insakto kasama ang label nito. So, hindi niya ito binago kundi ginamit ang buong imahe at ginawang parang portrait ng lata ng sopas. Hindi ito basta still life o simpleng pagpipinta ng bagay, kundi tila sinasabi niya na ang mga produkto ay supermarket ay may halaga rin sa sining. So, next is brand as image identity. So pinili ni Warhol ang mga produktong ito dahil madaling makilala ang kanilang brand. Then gusto niyang pukawid ang damdamin ng mga tao, lalo na ang mga idea. Good na tagline ng Campbell's Soup. So ginamit niya ang mga imaheng hindi lang para sa itsura nito kundi para sa mga kahulugan, kaakibat nito, pagiging commercial, consumerism, fast food, at middle class values. Ang simpleng label ng sopas ay naging simbolo ng kultura ng lipunan at Amerika.
Everyone, and mao ni ako ang topic. Warhol use of popular imaginary become part of the pop art movement. All appropriation art is not pop art though. Whose photograph is it? So kanin yung makita na picture is ang kaning nasa pinakauna is mo ni ang kay Walker Evans na gititle og Alabama Tenant Farmer Wife 1936 gelatin silver print. And ang kaning ikaduha is mo ni ang photograph ni Sherry Levine after Walker Evans 1961. So, Sherry Levine's after Walker Evans 1981 is a photograph of a famous Depression era photograph. The original was taken by Walker Evans in 1936 entitled Alabama Tenant Farmer Wife, and her face Levine photograph of production of Evans' work. She did not use the original negative or print to create her silver gelatin print. So kani si Sherry Levine is mo isa ni siya ka photograph of a famous depression era. So ang katong ihang gipicturan na gibuhat ni Walker Evans is gipicturan to niya pa ang magipangbuhan sa Evans para mas mailhan sa mga tao. So wala niya gigamit ang original or negative or print to create her silver gelatin print. So wala niya to gigamit. Then next is this is something that she and fellow artists Cindy Sherman and Richard Price studied in the 1970s and 80s. The group became known as the Pictures Generation, and their goal was to examine the effect of mass media advertisement, films, and photograph on the public. So kani sila Cindy Sherman ug Richard Price is mao ni sila ang nailhan na I also known as Pictures Generation. So ang ilang goal ani is ma-examine ang effects sa mass media advertisement or mga pelikula and photograph para mas mailan sa mga mapagpubliko. So in addition, Levine is a feminist artist and work like after Walker Evans. She was also addressing the predominance of male artists in the textbook version of history. So si Levine daw is a feminist artist. Then after daw tong work ni Walker Evans is gihapon daw gi-address ang predominance of male artists in the textbook version of art history of appropriation art. Kathleen Jelgi appropriates masterpiece in order to comment on the original content and propose another. And Bacchus restored 1992, she appropriated Garabengo's Bacchus, ca. 1595, and added open condoms to the festival. Offerings of wine and fruits on the table painted with age has taken the lives of so many artists that artists was commenting on unprotected sex as the new forbidden fruit. So ilahang ginaano diri is tungod mao daw nagkuan sila condom og festival sa wine and fruit is tungod is ang age daw is mao daw na ang ilahang ginaingon na ang age daw ang naka ang nakapa ang naka ang ang tungod daw sa age is daghan ang nangamatay na artist because kay wala sila yung mga protection bitaw para makipag-sex. Sa nga picture diri is mo ni siya ang Carabangios Bacchus 1595 image to Kathleen Jelgi Bacchus restored. Mo na siya ang katong example. So other well-known appropriation artists are Richard Frims, Jeff Koons, Louis Lawyer, Gerhard Richter, Yasumasa Marimura, and Hiroshi Sugimoto. So kani sila ang mga known na appropriation artists. And next is kaning next picture is muna siya ang cones staring of puppies appropriated from Art Roger Puppies. Isa pa siya ka example sa appropriation art. So ang last is kani siya is mo ni siya ang author. Beth Susan Grace Nasik is a former writer for Totco. She is the director of the New York Arts Exchange and Arts Education Service, which offer tours, lectures, and workshop in various venues, including museum, galleries, artists, studios, and art organizations. So kani si Beth Susan Grace is a former Totco. So, ang iyang ginadirektoran is ang New York Art. Then, ang mga education na iyang gina-offer is about sa tour, lectures, workshop, various venues including museum, galleries, artists, studio, and art organization. So, mauro to ang among topic. Thank